Welcome to the channel. This week we're on Royal Caribbean's brand new Star of the Seas. We're on deck 8, room 8278. Great feature about this balcony stateroom is it's right by the elevators. I mean, right across. And like I said, it is an ocean view balcony. As you walk in, you have a thermostat here on the left, which is nice. It's the digital thermostat, so you can actually change your temperatures here. And then also you can you turn your lights off via that. I'll go ahead and show you how that works. So that's the off all the way. This is the dimmed, and you do have the full. When I hit that, so like I said, you have the off all the way, the dimmed, and the full. You can also do movie. Kind of show you what that does. That turns off all majority of the lights, but so you can actually watch the TV. You have the sleep in the evening and the morning. Morning brings it up a little bit. So let's go ahead and turn it full so we can do the rest of the tour. Kind of show you where we're at on the ship. We are near here's the elevators. We're near the rear, after the ship. Like I said, deck 8. So not too far, really convenient there since you're near the elevators there. Show you a picture or a peek of the bathroom here. So the bathrooms are a lot different than the other ships. They have some shelves here. I'd say the bathroom, I feel, is smaller because you can see the shower's a lot bigger than, let's say, an Oasis class or a Freedom class or anything like that. But you do have the door, instead of having the capsule door that closes both directions, you have this door here, and you have a seating area in the shower, and then your shelves over here, soap on the hair and body wash on the wall here. And they do put the towels actually in the shower. So you have a couple hanging areas here. Instead of having the drawstring that goes across, you have 2 hooks here to hang items, wet bathing suits, etc. Over here you have some shelves, and then also the sink area, and then some shelves down here. So a lot different design compared to the other ships as far as the bathroom. Then you have your bathroom switch here, and this is your main switch for the room, for the stateroom. Walking on in, you have some hooks here on the right hand side, and then you have your TV here. And then on the left hand side here, you have some baskets. This is another new feature essentially for the ship. These are not on any of the other ships, just the Icon class. And then you have a closet here, full length closet with some hooks in here and hanging bar here. And then on the other side, you have your full closet here. So now one of the items a lot of people don't realize on this full length mirror here, behind that is actually where the safe is. And you have some more storage in here. You have 5 shelves. And your safe is in here too. Another nice feature is the waypoint here. So you do have the Starlink Wi-Fi in the room versus out in the hallway. So you do have some good connectivity in the stateroom. Like I said, here's the bed. Once again, you have it separated or pushed together. And then you have a couple nightstands here. There's a floating shelf here. And both sides do have, actually this side is the only one that has the plug-in. You've got your button here that will turn off the lights throughout the room. And you also have a USB here, which is very convenient. And then this push button will turn off this light here. You do have a track light that runs the whole length of the room right here, which is a very nice feature. And then, like I said, you have your TV here. And then one of the nice features I like about this, you have this additional storage area here as far as shelving, and it's backlit, which is a nice feature. Also, with you've got your standard USB, and you're also your C charge. So Coming on in, we have a table here that is movable, so you can move this table if you need to slide it in front of the couch area or over next to the bed or anything like that. You do have that table that is movable throughout the room. Once again, over here you have another lamp, another USB charger cord, your telephone, and your end table, your nightstand here. Once again, you have the push button here to turn the light off. And then you have a full-size couch here. And then one of the nice features here is it's actually a trundle bed, so you can pull this out, and this can be made into a bed for an additional third and fourth passenger. Swinging on around, you have the desk area. You have 3 main drawers up top here, and then 2 additional drawers down here. Nice backlit mirror here, and you do have the standard charger here, European charger, and also again the 2 charging ports here. These are the switches for the room if you decide to turn them off and on. And then also this is the mirror. Right below this drawer here is the refrigerator, and it is actually a refrigerator. It keeps everything cool, not just a chiller. So coming out on the balcony, you have the switch here that will turn on your light to the balcony. And walking on out is a standard Oceanview Balcony, as I mentioned, and you have your table and 2 chairs and 2 footstools. So I'll move the table around. You got your footstool here. So it's cruising back into Port Canaveral at this point. Not too far off. So, like I said, you do have a light out here, which is nice if you want to sit out here at night, read, play cards, do anything like that. You have the light out here. So, all right, coming back in, give you one more quick shot of the stateroom from the balcony. If you like what you saw, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe. Like I said, this is a preview cruise of Royal Caribbean's brand new Star of the Seas. It's not even set sail for its inaugural cruise, so we were able to come on and see some of the new features of the ship and also some of the staterooms. So, all right, we'll see you on the next one.